Hello everyone. So I wanted to jump on here and make a quick little video about my method of finding the equation of a line through 2 points when the pattern is not really that nice to us. So I have these 2 points, -4, 10, and -10, -10. I want to go ahead and find the slope between those two and then find the y-intercept. That way we can write the equation of the line using the equation y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a table. When I create a table, I'm going to put my 2 points in the table, but I'm also going to find when x equals 0. Our y-intercept is always when x is equal to 0. Okay, so my goal for finding the y-intercept is to find the left column where it shows all of our x's. We want to find when x is 0. That will tell us our y-intercept. But let's go ahead and find our slope first. So we have the point. I'm going to extend this table here. So I have -4 on the x and 10. Actually, you know what? I'm going to put -10 first and then positive and then -10. I'm putting that point first because -10 comes before -4. So then I'm going to put -4 and then I'm going to put 10. So to find the slope of a line, slope is equal to the change of y over the change of x. So I want to see how much do the y values change. So how much do these y values change? So I'm going to take this here from -10 to +10. That is increasing by 20. So this is our change of y. And now our change of x is going to go from -10 to +4. So our change of x is going to be going up by 6. So change of x. So now as a fraction, this is going to be 20 over 6. And then we can reduce it. I'm going to change this. I'm going to go ahead and divide by 2 on the top and divide by 2 on the bottom. That is going to end up giving us 10 over 3. So this is our slope, 10 over 3. So what we're going to do is use that pattern, and we're going to move forward in our table. So we're going to go move forward, -3, -2, -1, and then 0. And we're going to move forward by adding 10/3, adding our slope, until we get to 0 on the x column. So oops, that's not what I want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw a little box right here. This is where we're trying to go. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and, oopsie, that's not what I want to do. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start adding. I'm going to change the color. I'll make it blue. So from here to get to the next one, we're going to add 10 over 3. Then from here to get to -2, we're going to add 10 over 3. Then to get to -1, we're going to add 10 over 3. And one more time, add 10 over 3. So we need to be really good at adding fractions. But notice that we're going to add 10 over 3 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay? So instead, we're going to go a total. I'm going to just find the total that we're adding. So from 10, we are going to add 10 over 3 4 times. So we're going to take 10/3. We're going to multiply it by 4. So that's going to give us 40 over 3. So that means in total, we are adding 40 over 3 to 10 until we get to 0. So I'm going to take 10. That 10 is coming from this right here. We're starting at 10, and then we're going to add 10 over 3 4 times. So we're going to add 40 over 3, because that's 10 thirds 4 times. So in order to do this, I'm going to need to get like terms, or like denominators, and we're going to get 30 over 3 plus 40 over 3 equals 70 over 3. And that is our y-intercept, 70 over 3, just like that. So now when we write the equation of the line, we have our y-intercept, we have our slope. So our equation is going to be y equals 10 over 3 x plus 70 over 3. And we can double check, okay, but that is going to require me to take all of my work off. So I'm going to take that off. I'm going to type in the equation right here. So y is equal to 10 over 3 x plus 70 over 3. And so now when we look over here, we notice that on the line, we end up getting a line through the 2 points. I hope that was helpful.